Hey, are you guys ready to go to the park?
Well, so much for the park.
Oh no! I was looking forward to having a picnic.
Oh, wow, it's really coming down out there.
Hey, I've got an idea. What if...
What do you do on a rainy day when the ground is soggy and the sky is gray? Tell me what's left for me when it's just too stormy to go outside and play.
In our imagination, a solution would show.
Like a game we can play.
Oh, a place we could go.
Well, nobody look at me, cause I just don't know what to do on a rainy day.
Guys, I've got a great idea. How about we all...
Great idea, Chucky! We can ice skate!
Great idea.
Yeah, you're a genius.
Of course, Helen, you go open the freezer, I'll turn on the water, and we'll meet back in...
Guys, no. You can't ice skate in here. Stop. That's just gonna make a huge mess.
I guess you're right. Scratch ice skating. What do you do on a rainy day when the ground is soggy and the sky is gray? When the rain is pouring, it's just so boring and dreary to our dismay.
A super cool way for us to spend our time.
Gotta think of something quick before I lose my mind.
If we all work together, maybe we can find
What to do on a rainy day?
What if... No.
I don't know.
This is really tough.
Guys, listen. It's simple. We should all build a roller coaster. Great idea.
Yeah, a roller coaster.
Why did I think of that?
Good idea, Chucky.
Okay, Jasper, you go get some lumber. Helen, you get the tools and I'll take that wall out and we'll...
You guys are not going to build a roller coaster in my living room.
Yeah, I guess it is kind of small. Let's see here. What do you do on a rainy day when the ground is soggy and the sky is gray? When the time is crawling as the rain is falling, it just won't go away.
Something we could do to amuse and delight.
That could take a gloomy day and make it feel alright.
If I was just a little brighter, I could bring to light what to do on a rainy day.
Let's see.
Gee, I just don't know.
Guys, there's a really obvious choice here.
Say no more, Chucky. I think we all have the same idea.
Rhinoceros racing.
Oh, yeah.
It was so obvious.
All right, I'll call the zoo. You guys move the couches and we'll...
No. We are not going to race rhinoceroses. This is absolutely ridiculous.
Well, guys, I guess we're out of ideas. May as well just sit here and wait it out.
Guys, if you just listen, I have a great idea for something to do on a rainy day. How about we all go to Chuck E. Cheese's?
No, that won't work. If we go outside, we'll get all wet.
He's right.
Yeah, I can't get my hair wet.
Seriously, guys? I've got some umbrellas. Why don't we just use those? Hey, guys, I've got an idea. How about we all get our umbrellas and go to Chuck E. Cheese's?
That's a great idea, Jasper.
Of course. Great thinking, Jasper.
Why didn't you think of that, Chucky?
What to do on a rainy day?
All right. Hey, guys, wait up.